Open your arms wide in a straight horizontal line. Raise your left arm upward, then let your right arm follow it in a slow, circular motion. Rotate your spine and keep your core engaged. Your stiff spine, slow digestion, and blocked leg meridians. This gentle routine is perfect for beginners, no equipment needed. Let's get started. And pat along the meridians of your lower legs. We'll finish with movements that target the spleen, liver, and kidney meridians in your legs. These slow shifts and gentle stretches help unblock stagnant energy from your feet up to your hips. You'll feel warmth spreading through your legs as the flow improves. This not only relieves leg fatigue, but also supports overall balance and stability. Raise both hands overhead. Lift and twist through your spine to stimulate the digestive meridians. Effectively unblock spleen and stomach meridians. Relieve abdominal bloating and weak digestion, and regulate gastrointestinal health. Maintain deep breathing throughout the movement. Breathe in slowly while stretching, and exhale gently as you relax.